Office in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for central York County in south central Pennsylvania until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Red Lion, moving east at 15 miles per hour. The tornado will be near around 12:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates. When the tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this storm, move indoors immediately. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Stay away from windows. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday evening for south central Pennsylvania.